Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Huawei is one of the most active manufacturers on the phone market. It releases very interesting gadgets in 2018, such as flagship Huawei P20 Pro, mid-range phone Nova 3i, and the last week the Chinese brand released gaming device called Honor Play. All of them have similar design, but they differ in specifications and features. In this video, we want to compare Nova 3i and Honor Play because they are from the same price category but different purposes. Which one you should buy in 2018? Let's find out. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. At first glance, these phones look the same. Both of them have 6.3-inch displays and almost the same dimensions. On the front panel you can see a notch above the display, while on the back dual vertical camera and fingerprint reader. From other side, Honor Play has metal back panel, while Nova 3i comes with glass. It is the first difference that makes Nova 3i more premium than Honor Play. Both phones have 3.5mm audio jack and a dual SIM card slot, but Nova 3i comes with microSD port, while Honor Play is equipped with USB Type-C. In general, these phones have very similar design, and only glass back panel of Nova 3i makes it more attractive. So I will give this phone the first point in this comparison. Talking about display, it is completely the same on these phones. It has 6.3-inch diagonal, Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, and about 83% of screen-to-body ratio. Yes, Honor Play is gaming phone, but it doesn't have 120 Hz display like Razer phone. It comes with the same display as Nova 3i. So there is no winner in this category, and both phones receive by 1 point from me. The hardware is the main difference between Honor Play and Nova 3i. Both of them are mid-range phones, but Honor Play is powered by flagship chipset Kirin 970. By the way, the same processor is used in flagship phone Huawei P20 Pro. Also, it has 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage with microSD memory card support. Nova 3i is powered by Kirin 710. It is not as powerful as Kirin 970, but still good for most Android games and apps. The smartphone comes with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage with microSD slot. As you can see, Honor Play has flagship chipset, but what makes it gaming? New device is equipped with stronger vibration while gaming, also it has a special sound system. However, the most important feature is GPU Turbo Mode. It improves the graphics processing efficiency by 60%. It sounds amazing, isn't it? Nova 3i doesn't have all these features. Both phones run on Android 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.2 user interface on top. So Honor Play looks much better in this category because it has more powerful processor and gaming features. It seems that Honor Play and Nova 3i have the same rear camera. There is 16-megapixel main sensor and 2-megapixel secondary sensor for depth effect. However, Nova 3i comes with much better front camera. It has 24-megapixel main sensor and 2-megapixel secondary sensor, while Honor Play has 16-megapixel front camera. So the phones will have the same photos on main camera, but Nova 3i will be better option for selfie lovers. It receives the next point from me. Honor Play is a gaming phone, so it should have bigger battery for longer playing games. So it is equipped with 3750 mAh battery, while Nova 3i has only 3340 mAh battery. Also, gaming phone has USB Type-C with fast charging support 18W. It's definitely better than Nova 3i. Both phones are already on sale, and you can buy the basic model of Honor Play with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage for $290, while Nova 3i with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage costs the same $290. The version with 6 GB of RAM will cost you about $50 more. You should note that Honor Play went on sale only last week, while Nova 3i was released about months ago. So right now, Honor Play may be a little cheaper than Nova 3i. However, they are from the same price category. As you can see, both phones have by 4 points. We cannot choose the best phone from them because they have similar design and the same displays. However, Honor Play is gaming phone, so it has more powerful chipset and gaming features, while Nova 3i comes with better front camera. The price is the same, so you just need to decide for yourself what is more important for you, gaming features or glass back panel and front camera. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy smartphones cheaper. If this video was useful for you, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.